contemplating voting against this budget. I am now going to vote for the budget, even though it's very reluctantly, and the only reason I'm doing it is because I really did not want to penalize the workers that work really hard or the children we're trying to serve. But I would be remiss if I didn't express my frustration on the whole situation. And I've been saying probably for 6 or 7 months at our CCAP board meetings and other places, I think if there was one issue that was going to blow up this year, it's children and youth, and between the state and the counties. They're trying, but quite frankly, the frustration level at the counties is getting higher and higher because of what pressure is being put on by the state, and in some cases unduly. You know, in talking with our folks, the child protection referrals were up almost 100% this year over what they were last year, largely because of the legislative reaction and the administrative reaction to the Sandusky situation. And what it has done, it's mandated, it's increased those that are mandated to report what they think may be a child protection issue. When that happens, our folks take it seriously. And so when those numbers go up, that's what we see. We see a 100% increase in the referral. Not a single dime extra to handle this. In fact, you know, and this is my real frustration with the way the state government handles its partners in this, being in county governments, because of the efficiencies that we have been able to do over the last couple of years. And if you look back at our budgets, our folks have been very efficient and very effective. But because of those efficiencies, this year, as our caseload is increasing, the state chose to cut us by $1.8 million because they go back on past numbers and they realized we were efficient. So in a year that we have a higher demand than we've had in years, the state has decided to cut us by $1.8 million. No way for us to have a discussion with them and tell them the need, and we look at it. And I know Commissioner Hartwick and others have had these discussions. The answer has been, well, we may give you the money in the future. You may get that 1.8. Well, yeah, what if we turn this and we're on it in a time where we're efficient again? So then they're going to give us the money maybe when we don't need it. The need is now. The state is not flexible enough, they're not nimble enough, nor at times do I think they're intelligent enough to understand what goes on at the county level. And the frustration, not only by myself, but by my colleagues across the state is growing. And the issue that I have, and you know, so I was, you know, when I was thinking about voting against this, it was really not because of our local folks or what's going on here. It's the frustration with the system. You talk about unfunded mandates, with the state increasing the number of people that are required to report, that being put onto the counties with no additional dollars. In fact, in our situation, the dollars being cut. That is a huge unfunded mandate. It's almost, you know, it's almost unconscionable what they're doing to us. And it's not really to us, it's to the people we're here to serve. You know, and I don't know how they can sit up there and feel comfortable about knowing there's uptick because of actions they've taken and requiring additional folks to report. They knew that was additional work, and they turn around and cut us $1.8 million. Just horrible.